What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I do have another video for you guys. We'll be doing a maintenance wash on a ceramic coated vehicle that I ceramic coated about 5 months ago. It's on a Lexus RX 350. The owner does take care of it frequently. She washes it on her own. But yes, it will be a maintenance wash on that. We did do the raw ceramic coatings, like I said, the 7 years. And what is the main purpose of this video? I'll be doing a voiceover, but more is if a ceramic coating is right for you, and also do you need a ceramic coating, in my opinions on it, right? And that way it can help you understand if it's worth it for you in the long run and how to maintain it, right? Because just because I'm doing a maintenance wash is not the full in depth of maintaining a ceramic coated vehicle. So yeah, so if you like this kind of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in a bit. Alright everyone, so here is the quick walk around on this Lexus RX 350. Like I said, this vehicle did receive the raw ceramic coatings, the 7-year ones, where we put the base coat and the hardener, and you could tell it's super dirty. She does wash it herself regularly, and you will see even on the hood, even on top of the dirt, is literally like no love marks. And after we wash the vehicle, you will see little love marks here and there, but to be honest, when we did install the ceramic coating, this vehicle was in rough shape, and we did not go for paint perfection. Like I always tell my customers, we do paint enhancements, and we did do a 2-step, and there were still deeper scratches there. So what is the purpose of this video? As I stated earlier, the purpose of this video is to see if a ceramic coating is right for you and what types of vehicles should get ceramic coated. And to be honest with you, every vehicle should get ceramic coated, whether it's new, used, or abused. You can always revive the paint if you have enough paint there and protect the paint for years to come. We do not have time to wash our vehicles every single day, wax our vehicles every 2 months. We need those long-lasting protection in our fast-paced environment, right? And you will see here on the other side the hydro repellency and the resistance that this ceramic coating gives. And look at that bird poop. It's been there for a while, and just with the pressure washer, just comes off, slides right off as if it was never there. It is clogged there because, again, the bird poop was sitting there for a while. It etched a little bit into the ceramic coating, but not to the paint. And this is why I tell people that ceramic coatings are great. And ceramic coatings are for these top things that I could think of off the top of my head, right? I could talk about this for hours on why ceramic coatings are amazing and stuff, but I do not want to hold you for over an hour on talking on every single benefit of a ceramic coating. But these are the main things that I always tell my customers, and if they want to learn more, they can always click onto my website where I have often FAQs, or you guys can give me a call, and that way I can answer any questions that you guys have. But these are my main things. Chemical resistance, right? From the pH of 2 to 13, especially with this raw ceramic coatings. And it is true, right? I have used this for a little over a year now, and it's actually amazing. And number 2, scratch resistance to a degree. Every ceramic coating has some type of love marring resistance. Just because you put a piece of rock or a branch or something sharp or keying is not that type of resistance. Is more of the wash mark, love marks that you get when washing your vehicle or putting a quick detailer on your vehicle. Those type of resistance. And it has its self-cleaning properties. The self-cleaning properties are the best things that it is, right? It stays cleaner for longer. It's not perfectly clean, but it stays cleaner for longer. And lastly, the shine that it gives. We do not have time, like I said earlier, to wax a vehicle every 2 to 3 months. We live in a fast-paced environment. And yes, so as you see here, after I did the whole PNS Pearl Shampoo pre-foam, I am using the CarPro D-Scale. And compared to this vehicle and the Nissan Rogue that I did, right? The Nissan Rogue was heavily clogged, and I did have to use a degreaser as an APC rinse, but this was not that bad. But we still took CarPro D-Scale to make sure we revive the ceramic coating. You will see how that water beading and water sheeting is just so rapid to the point where it's literally brand new again. Same thing with the Nissan Rogue. It's just we had to do extra steps because of the care of that vehicle. And look at all this water beading that's already happening on the paint. It's so fast, it's so rapid. The reflection is already there. Like, we're done. we do not need to wax this vehicle if we don't want to, but us as a professional detailing business, we want the longevity of this coating, and you do not need to top it off with anything, but we do top it off with Gyeon ceramic detailer, which you guys will see in a bit. Look at all these tight water beads and how the Car Pro Descale shampoo runs off. We let it dwell there for a while with the foam shampoo, and then we did our contact wash, and this is what it does. It deep cleans the paint and the pores of that ceramic coating to revive that ceramic coating to its full potential. It was just slightly clogged, and I forgot to mention that this vehicle does live outside 24/7 as well. That's why I did the comparison that I said about the Nissan Rogue, and this one does not sit under any trees. It's always in an open space at all times. And this is what I always say about maintaining your vehicle after ceramic coating and the different variables that goes along with it. And remember that area that had that bird poop stain or etching? The water beading and the water sheeting is back, right? We deep cleaned that area and cleaned out the pores, and look how the water runs off. It's just super rapid, super clean, super fast, and this is why I love ceramic coatings. And now we're going to the drying process that I stated earlier before, and we use Gyeon ceramic detailer, right? You do not need to top this ceramic coating with anything, but us, like I said, as a detailing business, we like to add this extra bit of protection to guarantee the life of the ceramic coating, because this vehicle does live outside 24/7. And also we are going into the winter months, and again, the ceramic coating is chemical resistant, but if you can add that extra layer of protection as a sacrificial layer, it's kind of like what I tell people as a jacket. Put on a jacket for winter, but now it's windy outside, now your jacket doesn't work, so you add an extra sacrificial layer, which is the windbreaker. And that's the stuff that I like to compare ceramic coating. You put the ceramic coating on, it's your jacket for the winter, but now it's raining and now you need a windbreaker to go over it, because now you don't want your jacket to get wet. You need that repellency and that sacrificial layer to help prevent your jacket from getting wet. And yes, this is the after. Look at the amazing results that the ceramic coating gives, right? And there is no scratches. We didn't do 100% correction before, but like I said, the ceramic coating hardness protects from love and wash mark marring. Look at how deep and rich and wet the paint looks after it's washed, and this is why I love ceramic coatings. And I do want to recap on the main things of this video, right? Why I recommend every vehicle get ceramic coating. It's scratch resistant to a degree, wash marring when you have a clean towel with towel drag and give it those little love marks. If you got a piece of rock, it's not going to prevent that or it being keyed, and ceramic coatings are not bulletproof to rock chips and stuff like that. It's water spot resistant, and it's also chemical resistant, right? And these are the main things. We need to protect our paint at all costs. Whenever you go and need to get a repaint done on, just say, the bumper, it does not cost $500, $600. It costs upwards of $800 to $1,000 just for the bumper, for it to be a good paint job, right? And these are the main reasons why I love ceramic coatings. And if you guys like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you guys found this video informative. And other than that, I'm out, guys. Peace.